What up, guys? I am excited to announce today that I got my Christmas light training up. Now, I'm going to tell you what's going to be in the training and how this all works. But right now, I want to show you that you can and tell you that you can make money in the wintertime. That's right. Christmas lights will make money in the downtime season of Christmas lights. You say, are you crazy? How do you know it will? Because this year alone, Christmas Lights Cincinnati is going to do they're targeted for right now to do $500,000 in Christmas lights. That's right, $500,000 just in Christmas lights alone. So I give you all my knowledge of how we get there. I tell you in my membership how to start your Christmas light business, how to get customers for your Christmas light business, how to keep your Christmas light customers. I had a student last year. He just wrote in the Facebook group of, holy crap, I cannot believe we get 80%. I've gotten 80% of my customers back. And that's right. It is a little bit hard to get customers, but it's easy to keep customers. And if we can keep customers, that is an awesome thing because that's guaranteed money in our pocket. So I teach you how to keep the customers, how to get the customers, how to install the lights, how to take down the lights, how to make money. I don't want you to do Christmas lights and lose money or break even because at that point it's not worth doing investment of all this stuff that you will need. But I teach you how to make money. There's a lot of guys out there when I first started of, oh, you never can make money of that. And they were landscapers, and that is not true. That is true if you listen to people that don't know what they're talking about. So in this, I teach you everything there is about it. Um, you can find this training at christmaslightshelp.com/training. And there's a couple of different ways you can pay to get in. It is risk free. If you don't like it, you can get out. Also, in this membership, you will get all of my pressure washing training too. So this isn't just something of one training. You actually get both trainings for this. But again, I go in detail of how to make money hanging Christmas lights. Um, I hope to see you in my membership and where you can get access to me and everything else. Have a great day. Go check out christmaslightshelp.com/training. See you there.